Hello, Noemi. How are you doing?
Doing so well. Yeah, so excited to be here at Odoo Experience 2025. It's incredible.
Great. Thank you for joining us for this last edition of the 2025 edition. So maybe you have been a partner for a very long time. So I would like you to introduce yourself, maybe, and to explain what you do at Sodexis.
Yeah, absolutely. So again, first off, thank you so much for having me for the interview. I really appreciate the opportunity to talk a little bit about Sodexis and of course about Odoo, which is a software that we all love. So my name is Nemo. I'm the Director of Operations for Sodexis. What that means is that I work with our Director of Implementation, Cecily Barreto, who's based in the United States, and we lead our global team of business analysts, functional consultants, developers, system admins, DevOps team that help our customers implement Odoo with the highest return on investment possible. So Sodexis was originally founded in 2006. So our headquarters is in Florida in the United States. We've always been focused on open source ERP system implementations. We started way back when in 2006 with Compierre, which was a competitor to Odoo at the time, which wasn't even called Odoo back then. It was called Tiny ERP. And then in 2012, we made the switch and we decided to specialize 100% in Odoo implementations only. So basically for the past 13 years, we've been training our team and building our expertise in Odoo, and then bringing that expertise to our customers to help them accelerate their Odoo implementations. We kind of do it all. So we do the functional advice, configurations, trainings for our customers, but then we also do technical development of integrations and custom modules for customers. And our mantra is kind of, your success is our success. So we work together, we're all rowing the boat in the same direction. Our goal is to understand our customers' businesses, understand their industries, and then advise them on how they can get the most out of Odoo, whether that be a phased approach or a custom module or an integration with a third-party system. We guide them through that process from the initial conceptualization all the way to the go live and the training for their users, and then eventually the support.
Okay, great. Thank you. And maybe for those who doesn't know you yet, could you give us a bit more details on the positioning of Sodexis?
Sure. So we started like most of the Odoo partners back in the early 2010s, where we were very focused on manufacturing and distribution industries, because back in the day, Odoo was very focused on the core ERP modules mainly. So everything that has to do with purchase, inventory, sales, and accounting. And so that's really what our specialization used to be back in, like 2015, 16, 17, 18, all the way until I would say like about 2020 during the COVID, the original COVID years. And then we've really seen kind of a transition in the market as Odoo has just taken off and kind of changed its branding from being just an ERP software to now it's kind of the central source of truth for all the information you need to run your business. And it's that tagline, one app, one problem, one app, one solution kind of tagline. We've really seen that come to life in the last 5 years. And now we find that although we do still help manufacturing and distribution companies, and we have a lot of specialty in that kind of logistics supply chain space, we see a lot of customers coming to us now just for running businesses, like from a website e-commerce perspective or from an email marketing perspective. We're no longer just focused in manufacturing and distribution, and we really want to add value. We believe we can add value for any customer, any Odoo user. I even have friends who organized their wedding through Odoo. They set up an Odoo website, had an RSVP form, did kind of email marketing emails to sort of get the news out to people about what was going on. And they loved it, and they thought it was a great solution, and they did all of the wedding logistics through Odoo. So I think it's a very powerful tool, and there's so many use cases these days that I wouldn't say we're bottled into just one industry or one place. What's important to us is, do we find customers who understand the power of Odoo and are committed to having a long-term partnership together and are willing to really work together as partners to figure out how they can get the most out of the software.
Okay,